In this video, you will learn how to create a land plot in GardenBox 3D. First, click Create New Project. Then, click Draw Land Plot and select the plot type, rectangular or freeform. We will begin with creating a rectangular plot. The program will prompt you to input the length and width. Enter these values and click Done. The plot will immediately appear. If you need to change the size of the plot, grab one of the borders and move it. To change both length and width simultaneously, pull the corner marker. Next, let's see how to create a plot of a different shape. Click Draw Land Plot and choose the freeform plot. For convenience, turn the grid on. Click anywhere to start drawing. Then click again to set an anchor point. Continue drawing additional lines as needed. To round an angle, select the corresponding option in the right panel and keep drawing. Complete the outline by connecting back to the starting point. You can modify the area coverage by clicking the texture sample and selecting a suitable option from the program catalog. Options include concrete, gravel, pavers, and more. If necessary, you can adjust the scale of the texture. You can also change the shape of the area using the anchor points. Select the operation mode. In Move Points mode, you can change the position of existing points. In Add Points mode, you can create new anchor points by clicking on the boundary with the left mouse button. After adding a point, switch back to Move Points mode to adjust its position. You can delete points by clicking on them. If necessary, you can also change the corners, either rounding or straightening them. Learn more about GardenBox 3D. Many helpful video tutorials and articles are available on the official website.